Wait, Tia. Mummy is little busy. Good evening, children. Today we will be doing maths. Okay. What is your doubts? Why have you raised your hands? What is your doubts before I start the class? I told I'll be doing mathematics. Then what is your doubt, Vinil? You people will not listen to whatever I say and then you just keep your hands raised. Likit, I think you are a new student. Likit.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, is this Navodaya students class?
Yes.
Thanks, ma'am.
Are you a new student?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you from?
Ma'am, Bhuneshwari Nagar.
Where is it? Where is it?
Ma'am, in Bangalore, ma'am. Ma'am, everything is in everyone is in Bangalore only.
Did I ask you? So today we will start the next chapter, that is Unitary method. Now, what do you mean by unitary method? So, unitary method is, okay, Dhruva, read it. Dhruva, turn on the light properly and sit towards the light. Light should fall
Ma'am,
on your face.
ma'am, it is correct only, ma'am. The camera issue, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Unitary method is a process by which we find the value of a single unit from a value of multiple units and the value of multiple units from the value of single unit. It is a method that we use for cost of calculation in math. You will find this method useful while solving questions on ratio and properties, algebra and geometry, etc.
Hmm. So, what is unitary method? Unitary method is the process of finding the values of a single unit from
Ma'am,
many units.
ma'am,
Who's that?
ma'am, this is Yashwant. Can we write this?
No need. Amok, do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I don't ma'am. There's no current. Can I off my video?
Let it be on.
Okay. ಏನಿಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Nishant,
Yes, ma'am.
mute.
Ma'am, I'm in mute only, ma'am.
Now you muted. I could hear some background music sound.
Ma'am, it was not Nishant, ma'am, it was someone else.
So, from unitary method, we can find the values of a single unit from many. Means what? Now, you go to vegetable shop, you will bring 4 vegetables. Okay. Then after coming home, you will give some rupees, something around like 180 rupees you gave, you think. After coming home, your mother will ask, how much did you pay for carrots? How much did you pay for uh, potatoes? How much did you pay for tomatoes? Like this. So what will you do? You will divide this by how many values are there. If you have taken 4 vegetables, then you will divide this by 4. Correct? Then you will say this vegetable is this much, this vegetable is this much, like that you will be telling. So that is called what? Unitary method. Okay. So this is used while solving any mathematic operations or any mathematic operations. If you're performing there, we use this unitary method. Okay. If you are finding a ratio, when you're finding the proportions, algebraic equations or geometry, anything when you are solving, you will be using unitary method. Okay. Next, what you have is, through unitary method, we can find the missing value. Now they have given, for example, if one packet of juice, what is it, Kishan?
Ma'am, did the class start now?
Yes. Turn on your video and keep.
I was waiting from 20. I was waiting from.
Okay. Now, for example, if one packet of juice will cost rupees 5 rupees or dollar, whatever it is, 5, then what would the cost of 5 packets be? Then what will you do? You will just
25.
multiply, correct? You will just multiply each value into how many number you need, right? That is how you will get the value of 5 packets of juice. Understood? So now let us understand this in detail. So What is it, Rakshan?
Ma'am, we have to write this, ma'am.
How many times I should tell? Yashwant asked me. I told him. You did not hear. I should call every one of your names and then tell. And how many times I should tell to keep the videos on?
Ma'am, I can't
Why?
turn on my video, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, my mobile is new, ma'am. Today we brought, ma'am. I
So,
can't. Ma'am, I can't on my video, ma'am. I am trying from that time, ma'am.
for new phone only you have problem.
No, ma'am, I am trying from that time, ma'am. I can't on the video, ma'am.
Reasons. Rakshan, I told you to keep your video on. What doubt you have now?
Ma'am, Lord.
Shutayu, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, if we took those four vegetables, ma'am, if they would be in different amount, what shall we do?
Then we will not do it like that. Only if it is of same amount, then we can do it. Okay, then so let us understand what is this. So what does the definition of unitary method say? It says that it is a method where we find the value of single unit from the value of multiple units and the value of multiple units from a value of single unit. Like in the previous example they had given, if one packet of juice is 5 rupees, then how much will be for 5 packets? So what you did, you just multiplied these two, correct? You just multiplied these
Yes,
two
ma'am.
and you got the answer as rupees 25, right? So this is, you found out single unit from many units. Okay. But if they tell the price of 5 juice packets is 25, then what is the value for one juice packet? What will you do? You will just divide it. Correct? You will just divide
Yes, ma'am.
25 by 5 and you will say each packet is 5 rupees. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
By doing this, what will you be doing? You will be finding the value of many units or multiple units using one unit. Oh, sorry, from multiple unit, you will find one unit, single unit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, when we do, if the example you gave, ma'am, 25, if 25 juices for one, how much loss? It will be many units from one single digit, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
One minute, wait.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, can you show last line, ma'am? I was writing, ma'am.
I said not to write, no?
Okay. Ma'am, should we write this one?
Just now I told him not to write and you're asking me again. Next, see, there's one more example. What is that? Emma went to an ice cream parlor and brought 5 ice creams. She paid 125 to the shopkeeper. The next day, she again goes to the same parlor and orders 3 ice creams. So, how much will she pay for 3 ice creams now? This
Ma'am, 75.
Did I ask? Calculate this. What we did? We will write it like this. That is, for 5 ice cream. So I'll write here. Okay. For 5 ice cream, we paid 125. Then for 3 ice cream, how much will it be? So what we do is 3, we have to cross multiply. Okay. Nikita? Nikita? So we will do 3 into 125 divided by 5. So we can divide 5 ones are 5. How much are?
25.
Ma'am?
525 are
5 25s are
25.
125. Correct? Now 3 into 25 will be equal to 75. This is how we will
75,
find
ma'am.
out the answer. Okay? Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not understood. Can you tell us?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I explain this again? Ma'am, can you teach me again, ma'am?
I will not. When I told wait, you people can't keep quiet. I'm telling you people to wait. No, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I explain it again, ma'am?
Who is that?
Miss Yashwant.
What did I tell just now, Yashwant? What did I tell just now?
Ma'am, I did not.
Just now,
Ma'am,
what
I
did
did
I
not.
tell? Didn't I?
Ma'am, I did not understand that. How did you get the 75 or something?
I told wait. You did not understand that? Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
When I say wait, you have to wait, children. Now, what is the question given here? The question, who is this in the waiting room again? Okay, now the question given here is, Emma went to an ice cream parlor and brought how much ice cream? 5 ice cream. So, she brought 5 ice cream. And how much did she pay? She paid 125. Correct? $125 she paid. Then next day again she will go and she will take 3 ice cream. Now how much she has to pay? So what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. Multiply these two. So 125 into 3. And then whole divided by, multiply these two. Here nothing is there means nothing we will multiply and just write this value. How much is this? 5. Now what you have to do? Divide. So 5 ones are 5, 25s are. Now 25 into 3 will be 75. So for 3 ice cream, how much she will have to pay? She has to pay $75. Understood now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
ma'am, you said that cross multiplication. Ma'am, first we have to multiply 125 into 3. And what we get the answer, we have to divide it 5, ma'am.
Cross multiply means now which two side you have same value, you have to multiply them. Then which side you don't have one of them? See, one is not there here. Nothing is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
So that you have to divide.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
325s are 125, ma'am.
I
There.
don't know, check. You cannot multiply? Multiply and check. Now we have steps to use unitary method. Now what are the steps? So first let us make a note of the information we have. So what is the information? See, that is what is given here. See, there are 5 ice creams, and for 5 ice creams, what is the cost? Cost given is 125. Or just do how I told. Simple method. Don't want these steps. Okay. So what will you do? You'll just write 5. I'll just write ice. It means ice cream. Okay. So for 5 ice cream, you will pay $125. And for 3 ice cream, how much? Now multiply these two. Cross multiplying we call this. Cross, no, this is. So cross multiply. First write down the question. Write the question from here. Question starts from here to here. Write the question and then write the answer.
Excuse me, for me, 3 into 125, 375 came.
I did not do 3 into 125. Did I do 3 into 125?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. How it came 25, ma'am? There, when you cancelled it.
These are 525s are 125. You're dividing.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. 75, how did it came, ma'am?
What is in the numerator?
125.
You have 125 in the numerator now.
Ma'am?
Do you have 125 there?
No, ma'am. 25 is there when you cancel it.
So what is there in the numerator? Only 25.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Only 25, nothing else.
No, ma'am. 25 and 3 is there.
So what is there between those two? 25 and 3.
You should multiply.
Then do it and see.
25, 3 is there, 75. Okay, ma'am. Got it. Understood.
What is it, Dhanush?
Nothing, ma'am. My grandfather is arguing with me that your place is not need very steady.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in this unitary method, you said that we could solve easily ratio and proportion, algebra, and geometry, no, ma'am? Ma'am, which type of question is this, ma'am? Is this an example?
This is an algebra. This is arithmetic.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
So no need of this one. Okay.
Ma'am, one
I'm
second,
writing
ma'am.
one page,
Last
ma'am.
line.
1 second, please.
Last line.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
How
writing,
many
ma'am.
people need to write?
Ma'am, even I'm writing.
Ma'am, please go, ma'am.
Write fast.
Ma'am, should we write the top one also?
That is the answer. Which up one? You're
Just a minute. Ma'am, about that, what is that unitary method about that
need.
5 ice cream you got? Ma'am,
No.
should we write that? Not that, ma'am. That blue color over here
This one.
of the 5 ice cream. Yes, ma'am.
Answer, ma'am.
Answer, no.
Not right. Just completed. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. Completed, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So next, no need to write this method. Step by step it is given. Yeah. So from unitary method, what we can do? We can find the cost of many.
Can we write this, ma'am?
Yes. If you have cost of many, then you can find the cost of one. Or if you have cost of one, then you can find the cost of many. So if from many to one, you will divide. From one to many, you will multiply. Okay.
Ma'am, from division we will do cost of many, and from multiplication we will do cost of one. First, no, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, now one we did the problem, no, ma'am. That is division, no, ma'am. Cost of many, no, ma'am.
We did division there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Can you show the first example? It is a cost. It is of multiplication, ma'am.
Division.
Excuse me, ma'am. I didn't understand this, ma'am.
What is there in that? They have just told whatever was written in sentence, it is told in like this. So if you have a many, then you can find one, value of one. If you have one, then you can find the value of many. So if you have to find the value of one from many, then you will divide. If you have only value of one and then you have to find many, means you will multiply.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Next. So what are the types of unitary method we have? So in unitary method, we always count the values of a unit or one quantity first. And then we calculate the values of more or few quantities. Okay? Fewer means few. This is why this method is termed as unitary method. There are two types of unitary methods because they result in two types of variations, and those are given below. One is direct variation. Next is indirect variation. Next, let us understand what do you mean by direct variation. So direct variation is nothing but this type describes the direct relationship between two quantities. So what is the relationship between two quantities? It will explain. So now see here, for example, if the speed of car is increased, it covers more distance in a fixed amount of time. So speed and distance are two quantities that are related to each other, correct? If speed increases, then the car will go fast. So we can cover more distance for given short time, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It is like the car is moving and only 1 hour is given. In 1 hour, if the car is moving in some speed, and we will increase the speed. So what will happen? Instead of taking 1 hour, it will take only 45 minutes. Means what? We covered more distance in short time. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is speed and distance are related here directly. If speed increases, distance also increases. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is unitary method. Now, what do you mean by indirect unitary method? Means now the relation will not be same, will not be related like how we had if speed increases, distance increases. Not like that. See, the same example they are giving. Increasing the speed of the car will result in covering a fixed distance in lesser time. Like means you are going from home to school. Okay. From home to school, every day you will take half an hour to reach your school. 30 minutes you will take to reach the school. But one day what you will do? You will increase the speed. So instead of 30 minutes, you will reach your school in 20 minutes. Okay. So if the speed increases, time will reduce.
Understood, ma'am.
Understood? Now, if your home and school are at a distance of 10 kilometers, we will consider. And for 10 kilometers, you will go in some speed every day. Now, today what you will do? You will increase the speed. And you will go for half an hour. Now, what will happen? For half an hour, instead of 10 kilometer, you will cover more distance.
And that means going late, ma'am, to school.
Which means going late. You explain me that, then I will tell you. That anta helidala. What is that? Tell.
Ma'am, can you teach this again, ma'am? I did not got this indirect variation.
Now, what did I tell? Now, your school is 10 kilometer from your house. And every day when you go, you will take half an hour to reach school. Okay. But then one day you will increase the speed with which you are going. Instead of taking half an hour means 30 minutes you will take. Instead of taking 30 minutes, if you go with more speed, instead of taking 30 minutes, you will take only 20 minutes. So means what happened now? If speed increased, time decreased. Correct?
Oh, I understood now, ma'am.
So now they are not directly related. They are indirectly related. If one is increasing, the other one will decrease. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why?
Yes, ma'am.
Sohan, Nishit, why have you turned off your videos? Nishit? Sorry, Nitish, not Nishit. Next, we have unitary method in ratio and proportion. So, unitary method in maths is also used to find ratio between two quantities. Now, let us take here. A contractor employed two men, Ryan and David, to work in his factory and paid them daily wages. Ryan is paid 150. We will take it as rupees for now. Okay. Ryan is paid 150 rupees and David is paid 110 rupees for each day's work. Ryan saves 800 rupees per month and David saves 500 rupees per month. Can you find the ratio of their monthly expenditure? Now, I'll explain the question first, then we will solve the question. Okay. So here there are two people, R and D. There are two people, Ryan and David. Okay. Now Ryan will get how much? He will get 150 rupees for 1 day. Correct? See, each day, for each day's work, they are getting this much.
Ma'am, ratio means what, ma'am?
What?
What is the meaning of ratio, ma'am?
Ratio. What is a ratio? Not ratio. Ratio means P is to Q. We write no.
That means representing fraction form in ratio form.
So David will get 110 rupees for 1 day. Now, first we have to find out how much they will get for 30 days. 1 month means 30 days, no? So for 1 month, how much they will get? How much will David get? How much will Ryan get? So for 30 days, let us write again. Wait 1 minute. I'll write. We have, first we will do only for Ryan. Okay. Ryan, for 1 day, he will get how much? 150 rupees. So for 30 days, how much he will get? multiply these two, correct? Multiply them. So that is 150 into 30. So when I had
4,500.
already told you, when you have this type of multiplication, forget the zero. Think zero is not there. Think like that. Okay? Only multiply 3 and 15. 15 threes are 45.
45.
Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So put 2 zeros here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is shortcut method.
Ma'am, this is only, he will get 1 month, he will get in 1 month 4,500 rupees, ma'am.
Yes. For 1 month, how much he is getting? 4,500
4,500.
rupees. In the same way, David we will see. What is your doubt, Sohan and Shamant?
Ma'am, a month can also have 31 days, right?
No, but whenever we consider 1 month, we will take it as 30 always.
Okay, ma'am.
So when they say per month, we will take it as 30 in general. Okay. So in the same way for David, if you calculate, it will be
Answer is 3,300.
okay. So what we will do? 110
It's
into
2,001.
30. How much you will get?
3,300.
3,300. Okay. So now Ryan got 4,500 per month and David got 3,300 per month. Correct? Now Ryan will save, I'll write here, Ryan will save 800 rupees per month. So out of 4,500 minus 800, how much you will get? Me,
3,700.
listen,
3,700.
3,700.
1 minute, listen. See, Ryan got 4,500 per month, correct? In 1 month, he got 4,500 salary. In that, what he did? He saved 800 rupees. Means how much did he spend?
Ma'am, 3,700.
3,000.
3,700.
So if you subtract these two, you will get how much he spent, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but they have given Ryan saves, ma'am. That means it is spent only, ma'am.
No, save. Saving means spent, ah.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, we are minusing, ma'am. Subtracting, ma'am, that one.
Out of 4,500, 800 rupees is still there with him. Then how much he lost? How do you find?
Subtract.
Correct, no? How much is this? 3,500. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Shamant, what is it?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of X?
Expenditure means spending. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shivani.
Ma'am, how we will find this is an division unitary method only?
What?
Ma'am, how we will find that this is division unitary
Don't have to
method?
find anything. Read the question, understand properly. Then only you can do it.
Okay.
Ma, for David, it will come as 2,700 as well.
Let us see. Okay. So now, Ryan, how did he spend? How much did he spend? He spent 3,700. He spent. Right? In the same way, if you do for David, so David will get 3,300 every month. In that, how much?
2,800.
500 is
800.
out. So it is 2,800. So he will spend 2,800 every month. And Ryan spent 3,700. That is what is asked here. Now, they are asking
800 means leaving that, no, ma'am.
Hmm?
Leaving that, he has spent 3,700, ma'am. Leaving 800. Like
Yeah.
that, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, but if you subtract 13, will convert as I mean 3 will be as 13. If you 13, if you subtract 5, will get it. Okay,
What
ma'am, got
the
it.
doubt?
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Okay. So now,
Ma'am, we have another class.
what is the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 6:30 is time, ma'am.
29.
6:30.
We'll continue in the next class. Bye.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day. Bye, ma'am.